The Veterans Pass. That's America Beautiful Pass for veterans. Free lifetime pass gets you into more than 2,000 federal recreation sites, national parks, national forests, BLM land, Corps of Engineers. Entrance fees are waived. Great pass. But here's what it doesn't do. It doesn't touch your camping fees. Now, the Access Pass, same as the America Beautiful series, also free, also lifetime, also 2,000 plus sites, but the Access Pass adds 50% discount on all park services and expanded amenity fees, and that's camping. And also boat launching, swimming, same entrance, half off the campsites. So why doesn't everyone have it? Because of the name. Access sounds like it's for disabled people with wheelchairs, and veterans skip it right from the get-go. Here's the actual rule, straight from the Park Service. The Access Pass goes to any U.S. citizen or permanent resident who's been medically determined to have a permanent disability that severely limits one or more of their major life activities. It does not have to be 100%. The Park Service says this right on their page. It's a test of permanence, not severity. So your award letter says permanent or a rating noted that's not subject to future review. You're looking at a documentation right there. Getting it, you can walk right into any participating federal recreation site with your photo ID and documentation and get it issued right over the counter for free. Or you can order it from the USGS store online where the pass is free, but they'll charge you a shipping and handling fee. In person, if you're passing by one, stop in and pick one up. It's just a lot easier and a lot cheaper. One more thing worth knowing, the Access Pass admits you and everyone in your vehicle, up to 3 other people, with no extra charge. The Corps of Engineers honors it for camping discounts, which matters because Corps of Engineers are some of the best waterfront camping in the country. Second one, and it's changed 6 years ago, and I still meet veterans who don't know about this. FamCamps sites. The Purple Heart and Disabled Veterans Equal Access Act became a law in 2018, and it took effect in 2020. Before that, if you wanted to use base facilities as a veteran, you basically needed to be retired or rated at 100%. Starting in 2020, that opened up to veterans with any VA service-connected disability rating. And I mean any, including 0%, plus Purple Heart recipients, former prisoners of war, and primary family caregivers enrolled in the caregiving program. What's it cover? It covers the commissary, the exchange, MWR facilities, and MWR facilities is the RV parks, the FamCamps. That's the part that matters for us. FamCamps aren't free, that's a myth, but they're consistently cheaper than commercial parks. They're quiet, they're secure. Some of them sit on the best real estate on the coast. Now the honest part, 2 things to know before you drive up to the gate. First, you need the credential. That's the Veteran Health Identification Card, the VHIC from the VA, or the caregiver program letter. A rating letter alone won't get you through the gate. Second, and I want to be straight with you, implementation's been uneven. Some installations were a little slow in getting on board. Base access vetting can take time, and it might only happen on the weekdays during business hours. Clearance at one installation doesn't necessarily carry to another. In FamCamp reservations, rules vary. Some take reservations from all eligible patrons, so call the MWR office at the Pacific base that you're wanting to go to. Call them every time. That one phone call can be the difference between a great cheap weekend and a very bad afternoon. Federal is the famous one. State is where the money actually is, because states can waive your camping fees outright. It's not just a discount. And these vary widely. Let me give you 4 examples. Washington residents with a 30% or greater service-connected rating can apply for a lifetime disability pass for free. Free day use, no Discover Pass needed, boat launch, trailer dump, free camping. Not discounted, free. Oregon, the Special Access Pass for Oregon veterans with a service-connected disability. Covers RV sites, tent sites, standard horse camps, free up to 4 nights at a time at one park, or 4 nights total per calendar month. There's a limit, but it's still a real benefit. Virginia, the disabled veterans passport, written into the state's code, free to entry state parks plus 50% off camping and swimming and shelter rentals. California, the distinguished veterans pass, free day use, free family camper and free boat use, over 100 state parks, California residency, honorable discharge, and either a 50% or greater combined rating with wartime service, former POW, or Medal of Honor. Look at the spread on that. Washington says 30%, California says 50% with wartime service, Virginia says 100%, and Oregon says any service-connected rating. That's the whole lesson. There's no national standard. Your rating might be free in one state and not in another, which means the only way you can do this right is to check with the state that you're actually heading to before you book. I keep a 50-state breakdown of all this on my phone. It's free and it's in the link below. I developed it just for this. You can keep it on your phone when you're planning your route. If I were sitting down today, there'd be 4 steps. I'd pull out the VA award letter and look for the word permanent or language saying that your rating is subject to no further review. That's your access pass documentation. Secondly, next time you pass a national park, Forest Service, Corps project office, walk in with a letter and your ID and get a pass. It's free. It's over the counter. It takes about 10 minutes. If you don't have the VHIC, request one from the VA. That's your key to the FamCamps. And it takes a while to arrive. So start before you need it. And number 4, before every trip, check with the state park system wherever you're headed. Not the state you live in, the state you're going to. Resident requirements are the real one that really messes people up. The 50-state breakdown of veteran and military RV benefit, it's free. Links in the description. It's a thing that I built exactly for this, and I want to share it with you. And you're a part-time like we are, that's what this whole channel is about. We have a new video every Friday. Come to join us, subscribe, and become one of the crew. And if you know a disabled veteran with a rig, send them this. They could use this pass too, I'm sure. It only take them 10 minutes out of their time. Everything in this video I verified before filming, and I put the source agencies for each one in the description so you can check it yourself. If you find something and it's changed, let me know so I can make an amendment and put it in the pinned comment so everybody will know. I'd greatly appreciate that. And in the meantime, remember, subscribe. We'd love to have you join our crew. And share with a friend, like, hit the bell so you know when we're gonna put out another video. And until next time, we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching.